Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you two leaked things to come into Prodigy. One of them is a pet, one of them is a buddy. But we don't have the icons for them. All we have is a spine. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first one we are going to be looking at is the buddy. This is what it looks like. I think that it's going to be a rabbit, because right here we have a rabbit ear. And this is going to be the Chinese New Year buddy. And if you look, this year is going to be the year of the rabbit, which is why this is most likely going to be a rabbit pet, and will come in the February member box. Alright, so this next one that we're going to be looking at, I'm pretty sure is going to be a mythical epic because it looks a lot like Arcturion, so let's look at it. So here it is. It has some, like, kind of this things right here, paws, and this is why I think that it's going to be like an arcturion, because it has like this right here, and it has kind of like a bear face on it, and this eye kind of does look like it also. Or also this could possibly be an eye, I just noticed that one. And this will probably be an ear as well. So my only reason why this could be wrong, and it's not going to be a mythical epic or arcturion, is because it seems a bit early for them to be putting the pets into the mythical epics into the game files, and there's also no icon yet, but there's not the one for the bunny either, so it's might be a mythical epic. It looks like it, but yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.